Right, we are attempting our lunchtime live Guinness World Records attempt here in Newstalk today to dress a person, our own Kieran Cuddihy, as a Christmas tree in under 1 minute and 30 seconds. We've been practicing all morning, so can we do it?
Andrea, Kieran, are you ready?
Yes.
No, but I don't think it makes a difference now.
This is an official Guinness World Records attempt. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Right leg. Oh. Let's go. Go. 8 seconds. Dress. Head, arms. Come on. Head, right arm. Go. Right, tinsel. 1.
20 seconds. Oh, come on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 4. Right, hat, tip, crown of the head. Go. Okay, set her up, go. Right, turn to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Box! Get in your box, Kieran.
Okay.
Don't move.
Go.
I've just witnessed an attempt for the fastest time to dress a person as a Christmas tree. Kieran, Andrea, I can now confirm that all guidelines were followed. The minimum requirement was 1 minute, 30 seconds. I can now reveal the time you achieved was 1 minute, 9.66 seconds. Congratulations! You are Guinness World Record title holders! You are officially amazing!